Imagine your car overheating on a lonely highway. The temperature gauge spikes, steam billows from the hood, and panic sets in as you pull over. One common culprit? A failing water pump. In this video, we'll reveal key signs of a bad pump so you can catch issues early and avoid breakdowns. Definition and purpose. The water pump is the heart of your car's cooling system, circulating coolant between the engine and radiator. Its impeller keeps coolant moving, pulling cooled fluid from the radiator and pushing it through engine passages to absorb heat. Most pumps run off a belt or chain, spinning whenever the engine runs. Without this circulation, engines overheat quickly, leading to severe damage like blown head gaskets, warped heads, or even seizure. In short, a failed water pump can destroy your engine fast. Symptoms of a bad water pump. 1. Overheating engine. The first and most obvious symptom is overheating. Normally, the water pump keeps coolant flowing freely, but when it fails, coolant circulation slows or stops completely. As a driver, you'll notice the temperature gauge climbing toward the red zone. Some vehicles trigger a warning light, while others may show steam coming from the hood. If you continue driving while overheating, you risk catastrophic damage. Always pull over safely, turn off the engine, and let it cool. A consistently overheating engine is one of the strongest indicators of water pump failure. 2. Coolant leaks. Another warning sign is visible coolant leaks. The water pump uses gaskets and bearings that wear out over time, allowing coolant to escape. You might spot bright green, pink, or orange puddles under the front of your parked car or see white, chalky residue on the pump itself. Constantly topping off coolant without an obvious leak often means a slow pump leak. Any coolant loss is serious. Low levels can cause rapid overheating and major engine damage. 3. Unusual noises. The third symptom is strange noises from the front of the engine. A failing water pump often develops bearing problems. When that happens, the pulley that drives it may wobble or grind. You'll hear a high-pitched squeal, chirp, or grinding noise that changes with engine speed. Sometimes it sounds like a loose belt. Other times, it's a harsh mechanical growl. Both point toward worn bearings inside the pump. Left unchecked, the pump pulley can seize, snapping the belt and shutting down multiple systems at once. 4. Steam or smoke. The fourth symptom is steam coming from under the hood. This usually means the engine is severely overheating, and coolant has boiled into vapor. The most common reason? The water pump isn't circulating coolant. Steam is easy to mistake for smoke, but it's usually white and has a slightly sweet smell. If you see this while driving, pull over immediately. Steam signals extreme heat inside the engine, and running it longer can cause permanent failure. Even if you haven't noticed the gauge creeping up, visible steam is an emergency warning. 5. Corrosion or buildup. The fifth symptom is corrosion on the pump itself. If you or your mechanic inspect the pump area, you may see rust, stains, or crusty buildup around the housing. This happens when small leaks evaporate, leaving behind mineral deposits. Corrosion weakens the metal and damages the pump seals. A rusty or corroded pump may still be working, but it's on borrowed time. If you see heavy buildup on the pump, it's usually a sign replacement is coming soon. Quick testing tips. If you suspect a bad water pump, here are simple checks you can try at home. Check for leaks. Park overnight and look under your car. Coolant is usually brightly colored and sweet-smelling. Also, inspect around the pump area for dried coolant residue. Listen for noises. With the hood open, start the engine and listen. A squealing or grinding noise from the pump area is a red flag. Keep hands and clothing clear of moving parts. Check the pulley. Once the engine is cool, try wiggling the water pump pulley by hand. It should be tight. Any wobble means the bearing is failing. Watch the gauge. Keep an eye on the dashboard temperature gauge. If it runs hotter than usual, especially under load, it could mean the pump isn't circulating coolant effectively. Monitor coolant level. If you find yourself refilling coolant often, and you don't see a large external leak, the water pump may be slowly losing fluid. If these checks confirm your suspicion, it's best to have a mechanic pressure test the system. They can pinpoint whether the water pump is failing or if another cooling system part is the cause.